Hey guys, what's up? I'm Rohit Khurana, host of Intellect Digest, and we have with us the Honor 7, a newly launched budget smartphone from Honor for India, and it packs in some really cool features. So I'm just gonna unbox and tell you what all it packs. So this phone is very competitively priced. The best buy links are provided in the description section below. So if you want to pick one up to know where to go, just go in the video description. There is a link. While it boots, let me give you a quick physical overview of the device. On the front, you get a 5.7-inch 18:9 display. This is quite nice if you look at the screen to body ratio in the budget segment. It's quite impressive. On the right hand side, you get the power wake up key followed by the volume rocker, and if you note, the sides are quite glossy in finish, so which gives it a very rich feel. On the other side is the SIM card tray, and let me quickly pop this out, and this time it is no more a hybrid tray. You have 3 discrete slots, so you can put 2 SIM cards and expand the memory. It comes with 32 gigs of internal memory, but you can expand it by adding a micro SD card to it. On the rear, you get a dual camera setup, a 13 megapixel and a 2 megapixel camera, LED flash, and then you have secondary mic hole for noise cancellation, and here you have the fingerprint scanner. It's finished very nicely. If you look at the phone's finish, this is metallic, and this is the fingerprint scanner. Honor branding, some silver lines running on top and the bottom. On top of the phone is 3.5mm audio port. On bottom is the charging port, a speaker grill, and one more grill which probably hides the primary microphone. This is how the display looks, and it is quite good for a budget phone. And let me show you the brightness levels. It's just about 45-50% brightness and still quite legible, so the display quality is pretty good. Now let's quickly jump to the camera and show you what that 13 plus 2 megapixel rear facing camera is capable of. Usually we have seen Honor phones and their cameras are generally impressive, so let's find out how this one fares, because this is the budget segment, and it is able to focus on a very close object very easily. And here you have the wide aperture mode, and wide aperture mode is nothing but the portrait mode, which uses the dual camera setup. Let me turn this off and take another shot. And there is an 8 megapixel front facing camera as well, so let me show you that as well. Notice that it is very wide, the frame here, it's quite wide, and let me show you the results quickly. This is the 8 megapixel front facing camera selfie. It's not very sharp, but it's not very bad either. The detailing is just about average, but at the same time it is able to capture good amount of frame as well as width. This is the normal shot that we clicked. You can see the color accuracy, the object is right there, and this is the picture. The detailing is very good with the rear facing camera. This one is the portrait mode or the bokeh mode photo, and you can see that the background object is nicely blurred out. The edge detection is very proper here, so the rear camera seems to be working very well, and the front facing camera is also quite impressive. Talking of modes, which is a forte of Huawei cameras or Honor cameras, here you get a number of modes which includes photo, video, HDR, watermark, panorama, filter, and you can download more modes. It allows that. And on this side you get settings. On the front facing camera you get the beauty mode settings, you get the soft flash for the front facing camera, which is a cool thing, so you can take pictures in dark, selfies in dark, and it will turn out to be okay because you have a flash at the front facing camera. Here you have the beauty mode at the rear facing camera as well. So all in all, quite loaded, a lot of features in the budget segment. In terms of software, it is running Android 8 with the EMUI 8. As you can see here, comes with 3 gigs of RAM, Qualcomm Snapdragon 430 chipset, which is quite frugal, and it has a 3000 mAh battery underneath, which should be able to give you one full day of usage without any battery troubles. So all in all, a very balanced offering. You get a strong build, beautiful design, a great display. You get fingerprint scanner, you get good set of cameras, decent specifications. Display itself, I think, is one of the most appealing factors of this phone, and the dual camera is the second one if you ask me. So all in all, a pretty impressive offering in the budget segment. If you want to pick up one for yourself, I'm leaving Best Buy links in the video description. Go ahead and get one for yourself if you're looking for a good quality budget smartphone. If you enjoyed watching this video, give us a thumbs up, stay subscribed for more. This is your host Rohit Khurana signing off. Thanks for watching.